A lot of people ask me what's the basic difference between Western astrology and Vedic astrology? How come there are different signs, the sun sign and the moon sign, and which one do we need to consider? Let's clear all your doubts in next 40 seconds. Both Western and Vedic astrology study the stars, but they use different skies. Western uses the tropical zodiac linked to the Earth's seasons, while Vedic uses the sidereal zodiacs aligned with the actual constellations. Hence, whenever you're checking your zodiac signs as per the Western astrology, you check your sun sign, which changes houses every month. Whereas in Vedic astrology, you check your moon signs, which changes houses every 2.5 days, hence making it more precise and crisp. Western astrology helps you understand yourself, and Vedic astrology, on the other hand, helps you understand your life path. For more insightful knowledge, read the description below and follow for more astrology insights where cosmos connect us all.